Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Helicopter Island.
Helicopter Island.
Unique here.
I think this one
See you
was nice.
next year.
It has a nicer beach, like it's bigger.
Yes.
Saka peaceful. No, kuya, peaceful dito.
Tuju! Tuju! I'm here!
Take it out. Here. Oh, yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Come. Eh, ba't kasi nag-life vest ka pa?
Here, sit.
This is it. Come to mama. You go?
No! Here! Here! That's for mine!
That's for you.
So we wanted to thank our guide for today, Kuya Captain Ronald and Kuya Junjun. So, yeah, thank you.
The fisherman, sir. Small boat.
This one, the fisherman.
I catch the octopus.
Octopus?
Yes.
Is that how they catch the octopus? Big octopus? Is it how they catch it? A fisherman. Oh.
Octopus.
Octopus?
Yes, ma'am.
Talaga? Oh.
Mga ilang kilo?
Wow!
Magkano yan, magkano yan?
How much daw, kuya?
Ha? 100?
200? Oh, 200. Hindi naman kumakain siya niya. Si kuya bibilin daw.
Pagkataan po mo.
Paggata. Wow, fresh. Oh, take a picture, Bjorn. Take a picture.
Well, I don't have the camera.
Careful.
Bagulan?
In the bag.
Ilang piraso bagulan mo? Pare, ilang piraso? Tama na, Daddy? Dito.
Excuse me!
Uy, wow!
Excuse me!
Outerfish.
Excuse me!
Yeah.
Dito lang, nadali mo? Ha? Dito lang?
Nadali ni kuya.
Ha?
He found it in here.
Saan? Dito lang, banda? May sanda kayo pa siya. Kaya, 150?
200. O pagdating na yun sa market, if we go to the market, it's expensive, more expensive. And fresh.
Tingin ko na lang yung mata
Catch of the day.
Catch of the day!
Secret.
Oh, wow, that's our highlight of the day. Octopus.
The package.
You want to see? The squishy.
I'm gonna eat octopus tonight. Yeah.
Pakita mo nga kuya uli. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. Look. Oh, you want to touch it? Squishy. Squishy. That's the eyes, no?
Small eyes.
Uy. Ay, it's still blue. The tentacles. Ay! Tumidikit parang ano, fridge.
Dumidikit din, no?
Ano gano'n? It's fishy.
Yes. Bolletjes komen, want dat plakt daar.
Yeah, come on, sit properly.
Alleen en zijn hoofd, maar het woord.
Dan heb je een octopus verdreven, hè?
Maar de octopus is boos.
Is de boos?
Ja. De grote boos. Kijk, hè.
Yeah, thank you,
Kijk, hè.
Lord, for safe travel. That's a nice ending for our trip. Kuya found an octopus. And he gonna ulam it adobo o kinilaw.